Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
Rishika.
Which class are you studying in?
Daughters.
What is your school name?
National.
Very good, Rishika. Which is our country?
India.
Which is our state?
Karnataka.
Karnataka capital.
Bengaluru.
Maharashtra capital.
Mumbai.
National animal.
Tiger.
National bird.
Pigeon.
National fruit.
Mango.
National flower. National flower. No.
Cotton.
National game.
Hockey.
Fastest animal.
Penguin.
Cheetah.
Cheetah.
National river.
Warrior.
National tree.
Bonnet.
National anthem.
Telangana.
Goa capital.
Panaji.
Which animal has long neck?
Giraffe.
Who is the king of jungle?
Lion.
Fish lives in
Water.
Assam capital.
Bengaluru.
Assam capital.
Dispur.
Father of our nation.
Gandhiji.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
Tamil Nadu capital. Chennai.
Chennai.
Dog sounds.
Bongo.
Cat sounds.
Rio.
Who fights for our country? So,
Shoulders.
dog lives in.
Rio.
Dog lives in. Okay.
Canal.
Cow gives us. Cow gives us.
Middle.
Hen gives us. Egg.
Egg.
Sheep gives us.
Ball.
Honeybee gives us. Honeybee gives us. Honeybee gives us. Honey.
Honey.
How many fingers do you have?
Finger.
Very good. Who wrote Ramayana?
Valmiki.
Color of sky.
Blue.
Color of parrot.
Green.
Very good. Color of banana.
Yellow banana.
Color of apple.
Yellow.
Color of apple. Red.
Red pepper.
Which is Lord Krishna favorite food? Krishna favorite food. Krishna favorite food. Butter.
Butter.
Festival of lights.
Deepavali.
Monitor looks like TV.
TV.
Brain of computer.
CPU.
Beautiful insect.
Butterfly.
Who is our current Prime Minister of India? Who is our Prime Minister?
Narendra Modi.
Who cuts our hairs? Barber.
Baba.
Baby of the dog is called?
Puppy.
How many days are there in a week? 7 days.
7 days.
Name them. Sunday.
Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday.
Very good, Rishika. How many months in a year? 12 months.
October.
Name them. January.
January. February. March.
May.
May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December.
Who were Ganesha parents?
Shiva Parvati.
Name 2 indoor games. Chess.
This. Yellow. Yellow.
Name 2 outdoor games.
Cricket.
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 Basketball.
Basketball.
Carrot is good for our eyes. Monkey lives in. Monkey lives in
Monkey.
tree.
Tree.
Very good, Rishika. Thank you.